Welcome back everyone to the Funny Bunny Asian channel. Welcome back guys, and yes, we are back for more Mad Father. So yeah, I'm really surprised how everyone just came back, and thank you so much guys for your support. Definitely, I just realized a lot of people have been giving me shoutouts to my YouTube channel, so thank you so much as well for those that people have been supporting my YouTube channel. So thank you so much guys. I really appreciate it, and of course I'll get back to where I was. Maria! Whoa now, what's going on here? There's something under her skirt. Ooh, I didn't know you were hiding it down there. Room key. I'll take a look at that later. I'm guessing it's supposed to go through here. Wait, is that Papa? Father! Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh, hello, Mama. Mama! Is that you? Wait! No way. Was that really Mama? There's no way I mistook her. That was Mama. Why was even Mama? It must be the curse, right? Haven't you noticed? This tragedy was brought by the power of a woman's curse. The malice for your father. The malice turned to a curse, seeking out your father's death. Could that woman be? So you do realize, yes, your mother. That can't be. Why do you think that? Because Mama loved Father. Because Mama loved Father. Mom even understood Father's work, and Father loved Mama in return. Wasn't Mom happy? I couldn't believe she has a grudge against Papa. But Mama didn't like Father and Maria. I don't think so. I don't want it to be true, but you'll find the truth. Alright. So. Oh my god. I don't like this. Dead buddies. Dead buddies. Dead buddies. Lots of dead buddies. What's this? Okay, you're not brave enough to do that. Right. Okay. Whoa, more bags, more bags. Wait, what the heck? Was that? Oh my god, was that? Is that a head? Hello? Oh my god. It's a head. Oh my god. Where's my body? Where's your body? Eek. Yeah, you know, I'm just gonna. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. What is that? What is that? Oh my god. Is it gonna move? Oh my god. Ah! Fuck! I knew it! You son of a bitch! Oh shit! Oh. You want this body? You can have this body. Oh my god. Found it! You found your body. You're most welcome. Even though it scared the shit out of me. Thanks, Miss Sauce. Ew, your head is ugly. Got a jam? Feeling happy? Got a jam? Wait, 1 second. How many? God dingus. Oh, there we go. I got 7 out of 21 jams. Not bad, I guess. Oh my goodness. What the fuck is that? Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay then. What does he want? Oh my god, this is so dark. Big barrels. Going up the ladder. What's here? Something here? Dirty pot. Unlock the door. What? What? Oh, come on. that was useless. What's this? Wooden barrels, field of junk, field of junk. Right. Let's just keep moving. So, what am I supposed to do? Dirty pot. Oh, what's this? Gem. Oh, is that a hole down there? Oh. Oh, gotta save. Yes, Mr. Bird. Lots of barrels, barrels, big barrels, small barrels, big barrels, lots of barrels. A ladder. Oh, I know what to do with it. I know what to do with the ladder. I gotta go back. Alright, I'm gonna go up the attic. I'm pretty sure there's something. Who the? Who did the? Oh, what? No! No, you just stay right there, Mr. Mannequin-looking thing in a glass. You just stay right there. No more bullshits from you. No. Okay, so I got a key. I'm guessing I need to go... Yeah, I need to go there. I gotta go and go with the flow. I came from there, so I gotta go here. Oh, no. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Yeah, oh my god, he's climbing up the stairs. Oh shit, where is he? Oh my sweet barley bum bums. What the fuck? Oh my god, I swear if you pull any bullshits, I'm gonna bitch slap you to Kingdom Come. I think he was trying to say something. Yeah, he wants to eat you alive. My poor little chica. I don't like where this is going. Am I supposed to take a nap? Is that what he wants? Take a nap so he can do unimaginable things to me? Found a diary. Could this be Maya's? Ooh, is it her little journal? Should I read it? Oh, yes, I'm gonna read it. Doctor, it has been a year to the... since I came to this mansion. I will never forget... Oh, I will never forget that day. Please, food. Food. Somebody. Food, somebody. A bum. Yes, there's lots of bums. She could be a fine subject with some... I can't even read that. With some W's, yes. It's pitiful to see one so skinny. Come to my mansion. I mean my home, please. I'll give you clothes and delicious meals. What? Stay here for a little while. I'll tell my family about you. For family? I have a wife and a girl turning 7. I'm sure they will welcome you. For family? Have you just went crazy bonkers, Maria? Oh, don't leave me. Is this person like me? Oh. What awful injuries. It must be hurt. Perhaps I could do something. Phew. My skirt won't be enough clothes. But I only have Clothes. What? But the only other clothes I have is... Whoa, now. What? I'm surprised. He was about to die, but he recovered overnight. It seems he was given excellent treatment. Did you treat him? Yes. How handy. You're exceptionally talented. Please, I couldn't let this go to waste. What's your name? I'm Maria. Maria, huh? An appropriate name. Maya, would you be my assistant? Oh? I do not wish to lose you. Please, stay with me. Will you entrust me with the rest of your life? That's a pretty big commitment you're pulling up there, Doc. Yes. Seriously? Why would you go with... This is... No wonder your wife is pissed. I was so happy. So happy you had saved me. I was alone, but you made me needed. You gave me love. As long as I needed, I will stay with you. How would I live without you? I love you, Doctor. No. No. I never really knew anything about Mario after all. Mario must really love Father too. Yeah, love is complicated. Love is always complicated, my little chica. I think I'm supposed to go to the attic, because I'm pretty sure that's where the ladders... Oh yeah, that's right. I gotta save. Save away, my little crow. So yeah, wow. Did not see that coming. Oh my god. Missing section. Oh, that's right. I gotta use the wooden ladder. Oh, the lights keep flickering. Oh, is that a gem? Is that a gem? It is. What am I supposed to do here? Big barrels? Big barrels? Lots of barrels? Collection of pots? Right. What's this? Oh. Oh, okay. Time to push this down. Break this little fucker. Oh, what do we have here? Another gem? This is... Oh, I got a mini chainsaw! What the heck? Oh, shit! Let's see. Press the special key to equip the chainsaw. It can normally only be equipped in the basement. Okay. When equipped, press confirm key. Okay. How do I... How nihilistic. I remember Father scolding me for playing with this once. Oh, vroom, 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 vroom. Aya, what are you doing?
Aya!
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 Aya! Aya!
Swing that thing. Sorry. This is no toy. It's very dangerous tool. Understood? Never play with anything like that again. Sorry, Father. I'm glad you're not hurt. It is odd, though. I thought this would be somewhere that was out of your reach. Where on earth did you find this Aya? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Father. Aya. Okay, so I got a chainsaw. How do I use it? Oh, so let's see. Okay. Oh my god, this is addicting. So I can't kill monsters with this? Are you kidding me? What's the point of this then? I better get going though. What? 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 It felt like something grabbed my leg. What? Oh shit! Shit, no, get the fuck! I'm going to get dragged away! Oh my god, Percy, oh shit! Go, you stupid bitch! No! Oh my god, no, don't do it! No! Get away, you son of a bitch! Crawl, little fucker, go! Oh my god. That's a pretty sick soundtrack. Okay. That was really intense. I'm not going back there. But where am I supposed to go now? I got a chainsaw. Got a ladder. What am I supposed to do with the chainsaw? Oh, okay, I know. I'm supposed to. Oh shit! No! Go back, you fool! I'm supposed to go. Oh wait, can I break these? Boom! Okay, I can't. Oh. Boom! Oh, whoa. What? There we go. Okay, can I break these? Okay, I'm getting addicted with this. Okay. Right. Oh, what the fuck was that? What the fuck? I saw that son of a bitch. I'll cut your little hands off. Okay, there's nothing here. Oh my god. What is this? Oh, I can. Okay, so I can put this away now. I don't need it. Wait a second. What is that? Hello. I'm just gonna ignore you. Boom. Oh, boom. Alright. Got another gem. Don't mind me, old man. I'm just gonna keep going. Keep strolling. Ooh, where am I? Oh, I bring out my chainsaw. No bullshits with me. No bullshits with me. No bullshits with me. What the fuck? Who the heck is that? Fuck inside. What's inside? Oh my god. Can't see. I can't see anything. Wait, did I get a pair of eyeballs? That man took away my eyes. Looking for eyes. Maybe. I have some eyes here. Are these yours? No answer. I don't think she can hear. What is this? Am I supposed to go in here? Door firmly shut. Okay, guess I'm supposed to go down here. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god, I don't like. No, I'm not out of here. I'm out of here. Oh. Door is locked. Oh no, I already know what's going on. She needs her eyes. Okay. I think I know what I'm supposed to do, but we're running short on time. So I gotta say we're gonna cut short on this video. But thank you so much guys for your support, and definitely as always I will continue the next part, the next video. So stay in tune with my YouTube channel, and definitely I will continue uploading more video content. Again, I can't stress enough how happy I am to have your support. So thank you guys for helping my channel grow. It really means a lot that you guys enjoy watching my video content. So thank you so much guys. And as always, if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, do hit that sexy subscribe button if you like this video. So thank you so much guys for your support. And as always, I'll see you guys at the next video. Ciao, ciao.